Hello everyone, I am Shilpa Sathe. I am a transformation coach and energy healer. And today I am going to give you angel card reading for this week. This reading is valid from 30th November 2020 to 6th December 2020. So I have already placed 3 cards in front of you. This is card number 1, this is card number 2 and this is card number 3. You just have to look at the card and select one card intuitively for yourself. And that is your message from your angel to you for this week. So let's see what card number 1 is telling us. Contemplation time. Spend time alone meditating upon what you truly desire. So those who have selected card number 1, angels are telling them that you need to spend some time alone. Spend some time by yourself, at least an hour. Ideally somewhere outside, in nature, or in some garden or near some trees without any delay. Make sure that you will be uninterrupted at least for an hour, and take your pen and paper while going there. Spend some time simply by breathing, relaxing and centering yourself. After relaxing, start writing things which are bothering you. Get clarity about those things by asking questions. Don't try to answer logically. Write as if you have no limitations and you can change any situation the way you choose to. After contemplating on your situation, ask what you truly desire and start writing answer for that, and surrender everything to angels. Right now what you require is more clarity on your situation. Now let's see what card number 2 is telling us. Explore your options. It's a time to look at other possibilities. It's a good time to make changes. So those who have selected card number 2, angels are telling them to explore your options. Sometimes we think that this is the only option available to us, or this is the way it is, and we don't see for other options. Angels are telling you that this is not the case. You can change any situation by asking questions. So when you ask question, universe conspires to give you what you have asked for, and that opens up doorways for other possibilities. But when other possibilities will start showing up, don't just stop there. It is important to turn those possibilities into small goals that you can accomplish today. So start taking steps toward your desire, and universe will start opening up doorways to complete your desires. Now let's see what card number 3 is telling us. Set your sights higher. Increase your standard and expect more for yourself. Don't settle. So those who have selected card number 3, angels are telling them that you are trying to rationalize your situation. You are trying to tell yourself that it is okay when it is not. You have settled yourself for less than what you deserve or desire. You don't need to compromise. Let go of all your reasoning and justification for settling for less and ask for what you truly choose to have in this moment. And now allow angels to work on your manifesting your desire. Take out some time in a day to visualize about your dreams and your desires to make it more realistic for you. You deserve a great life and you have power to create it. And angels are helping you to accomplish it. Release all your worries and doubts and open up your arms to receive the gift that you truly desire. So this was the card reading for this week. See you next week. Till then, stay blessed and be happy. Thank you.